Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a static IP address on Windows PC. Setting a static IP address to a computer is an essential configuration that may be required in many scenarios. For instance, if you plan to share files, a printer on a local network, or configure port forwarding, you have to set your device IP address into static. In this guide, I will show you two ways on how to set a static IP version for address on Windows 10 device. How to assign static IP address using command prompt. To set a static IP address on Windows 10 using command prompt, follow these steps. On the search box, type cmd, then select Run as Administrator. Type ipconfig/all command, then press Enter to see your current networking configuration. Looking at the network configuration, the dynamic IP addressing or DHCP is turned on, with an IP address of 192.168.100.170. This means 192.168.100.170 is dynamically assigned. It has also subnet mask of 255.255.255.0 and default gateway of 192.168.100.1. Take a note on the subnet mask and default gateway. In this tutorial, we are going to change wireless LAN adapter IP address, so the interface name will be Wi-Fi. If you will change Ethernet port, then interface name will be something like Ethernet 0. Now, let's set our static IP address into 192.168.100.200. To change the static IP address, type the following command. Net sh interface IP set address name equals Wi-Fi static. Then the preferred IP address, which is 192.168.100.200, then the subnet mask 255.255.255.0, then the default gateway, which is 192.168.100.1. Then the second command is net sh interface IP set DNS name equals Wi-Fi static, then 192.168.100.1, which is the default gateway. Now it looks good since there's no error pop up after the two commands, so let's check and test connectivity. Type the ipconfig/all. Now DHCP is turned off, IP address is 192.168.100.200, with the subnet mask and default gateway as before. And let's have a ping outside. Our static settings is working. Assigning static IP address using control panel. If you are not used for the command prompt, then the easiest way is by using control panel. To set static IP address configuration using control panel, follow these steps. Open control panel. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Then select the adapter you want to set for static. In this tutorial, we will work on Wi-Fi adapter. Open it, then select the properties. Select the Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 option. Click the Properties button. Select the Use the following IP address option. Here, it's already selected cause we have worked a while ago on our command prompt example. We'll just modify it. First, assign the static IP address. For example, we'll set to 192.168.100.250. Specify a subnet mask. Usually, on a home network, the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Specify a default gateway. Typically your router's IP address. For example, 192.168.100.1. Under the Use the following DNS server addresses, set preferred DNS server section, set the preferred DNS server address, which is usually your router's IP address or IP address of the server providing DNS resolutions, for example, 192.168.100.1. Specify an alternative DNS server, this is optional, which the computer will use if it cannot reach the preferred DNS server. Then click the OK button to save the settings. We're done with our IP static settings on control panel. Let's go back to our command prompt and do checking. It confirmed here that it is set to static with an IP address of 192.168.100.250 and a subnet of 255.255.255.0. It also shows here our router IP address and the alternate DNS server 8.8.8.8, which we have set before. Now, it's time to test our internet connectivity. Now, we're done. We're connected. If in case you don't need your IP static configuration, just go back in your Network and Sharing Center, then select the adapter or port you are going to change, open Properties, then select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 option, then click Properties, then select Obtain IP address automatically, and under the DNS settings, select Obtain DNS server address automatically. Then click OK to save the settings. This covers how to set a static IP address on Windows 10 PC. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.